During the winter months, maintaining the well-being of your houseplants requires special attention to counteract the challenges posed by colder temperatures and lower light levels. To ensure your indoor greenery thrives throughout the winter, consider the following tips. Firstly, adjust your watering routine. With lower humidity and reduced evaporation rates, plants generally need less water during winter. Be mindful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Additionally, allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings to prevent waterlogged conditions. Optimize light exposure by relocating plants closer to windows with the most sunlight. Rotate them periodically to ensure all sides receive adequate light. Supplemental artificial lighting, such as grow lights, can be beneficial for plants that require higher light levels. Maintain consistent temperatures, avoiding drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Most houseplants prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. If your home tends to be cooler, grouping plants together can create a microclimate with higher humidity. Finally, be cautious with fertilization. Many plants experience reduced growth during winter, so adjust your fertilizing schedule accordingly. Consider using a diluted, balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients without overwhelming the plants. By attentively addressing these factors, you can create a conducive environment for your houseplants to thrive during the winter season.